Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we got 5 different packs that we've made. And we're going to do 2 each for us. And the last one, you guys got.
This is for mine too? You too. I mean, yours.
I'll take these 2. He'll take those 2. And you guys will open up yours at the end. So, we'll each open up the one that we got.
And they are the card trick.
Yep, we got 4 in the back. Kind of hard to open these. I take these like a lot. Just like, yeah, I know it's kind of hard to keep the cards from falling out. We kind of just gotta like rip it.
2.
I finally got the cards out.
I got energy. Whatever this is.
A Sneasel. Yeah, he's just like. Ah. I kind of want to see what you get out of this. Ooh.
Ooh, I'll take that.
Oh, take my turn.
This
We got the energy. I don't know how to do this. Like, we got energy, so it's just
Wait, energy.
Blunder policy.
Spell your energy.
I'm just gonna keep that. Derby, whatever his name is.
Energy.
A stadium. Swablu. God, I can't even.
Did you get a good card?
I can't even. Dratini.
Dratini.
Bidoof. Yamina.
Yummy.
Gadel, whatever his name is, and Fable.
Fable. Was that your last card?
Yeah, that was my last card. And then I got this pack right here. That's 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have a psychic energy. Wait and see turbo. Noirbat. Quadstone. A cool looking Pikachu. Swirlix, I think. A Molga. Holomusha. Reverse Hollow Jinx. And a whatever this is. So I got neither of the good cards. Or we put like I think 3 good cards in. I got neither of those. Got the Pikachu V. Time for your guys' pack. So we gotta rip this open aggressively. I think I'm gonna do this in front of the camera since it is. So I'm gonna do the pack trick before I come over there. So 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is gonna be kind of hard. We got a fighting energy Kindler, I think.
I see what they get.
A Dedenne, Rotom, Torkola. We got a Jerpy, a Gribble, whatever his name is, Reverse Hollow Trainer,
Rainbow
and
Trainer.
a Rainbow Trainer. That's what you guys get. Anyways, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one.
See ya.